Hello and welcome to the Spreadsheet 2 instructional video on point 1.3.2, creating a workbook from a template. So sometimes you will have a template that you've laid out. So if you're a teacher and you track grades with a spreadsheet, when you teach the same course again in another semester or at another time in the same day, if you're at a larger school where the same course is taught more than once in a day, at least by the same teacher, then you might want to set up that spreadsheet as a template so that all of your equations for the mark weightings and all of that are constant, and you just have to fill in the student names and their grades. Well, to do it from a template in Google Sheets, you go to File, and when you pick a new spreadsheet, instead of just picking the default spreadsheet, you pick it from the template gallery. So we have done specific to Headway. But then we have, like we said, grade books, we have assignment trackers, we have attendance, city bike analysis, financial data, baby name analysis, monthly budgets, work project management. So we have a number of these options to pick from. If we pick an assignment tracker, so as a student, you could use this particular template, which again was started new, general. This is a student account, so all Headway students should have access to this. And you could fill in your subject, what the assignment is, whether you finished it, whether it's in progress, whether it's not started yet, how much time you estimate it'll take, when it's assigned, and when it's due. So you can use this to keep track of your homework, just in case Google's To-Do doesn't work out for you, which is generally pretty good, yes. But keep in mind that this Google's To-Do just shows you the due dates. The assignment tracker here gives you the estimate for how long it'll take. So if you're doing a research project that's going to take a lot of hours, you don't want to wait until it shows up on your to-do, possibly tomorrow. Right? It would be the last minute. So you want to plan in advance. A spreadsheet like this assignment tracker template would be good for that. We can even see that the whole formatting changes according to the status that we give it. So that's how we start a new file from a template. We go File, New, and pick it from a template.